All right, little expansion project this afternoon or this evening before the hurricane hits. See, we're getting some clouds. It's supposed to get a little bad tonight, but so this went from being an 8x8, you know, for these guys. There's, you know, 4 little ones, a couple of 2 to 3 year olds, and a couple of yearlings. Went from being an 8x8, which was decent, but it wasn't, you know, I didn't think it was big enough. I wanted to give them a little bit more room, so we added another 8 foot. I went and picked up some 2x10x16s, you know, and buried them, you know, 3 or 4 inches into the ground like I had that done. Also, I found this cypress. This guy had a bunch of cypress logs and trees and driftwood and such, and he had this half round that I picked up for like 20 bucks for them to have a little hiding spot, a little shaded hiding spot. Like in the other videos, this thing, you know, it stays pretty shaded with the trees right here during most of the day, and then for a couple hours of the day, once the sun gets over there, it gets a little direct sunlight for a couple hours. But all in all, it's you know, pretty covered. So yeah, just gave them an extra few feet to kick around. So may put a couple more hibiscus bushes in here, maybe a couple other things. You know, I got some on that end, you know, some little places for them to hide. But may do a few more just to give them a little bit of coverage down here. This dude's already digging in. And of course, this is just number 2 framing lumber. It's nothing special. You know, it's cheap. Once it, you know, wears out and deteriorates, you just burn it up and, you know, buy some new stuff for, like, you know, I think the 2x16s were $14 each. You know, $13, $14 each. So if that lasts a year, I think that's money well spent. So, but anyway, just wanted to show a quick little video of the expansion for these guys. It's supposed to have a little bit of this hurricane that's rolling in start up this later this evening, and it'll be a little wet and soggy, so hopefully they stay in their little half-round house. So anyway, it's about to rain hard. Getting out of here. Peace.